Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I can say morning because it's still morning. Okay, so guys, this is what it is. Yesterday we went very, very, very well. I'm surprised when I see the video now that there was something that I did and it worked proper. Yesterday, remember what we did, guys? Which means yesterday they used lunch numbers to create T. For example, let me show you something. These guys, they use the formula 55. Remember, they say 39 plus 49 plus 55. And then they got 143. 143. Remember, when you get a code like this, I always say the biggest number is the one that's the banker, which was 43. And then they took 14 here, which they spent and made it a 41, which dropped here. So it was a perfect two numbers. And if you add those numbers, you get 17, did not drop. If you subtract, you get a 42, which came. If you say 1 minus 42 minus 43, you get a 43. So they played this triplet 41, 42, 43, which was a nice boom. Do you see, Pandas? Please, guys, keep on using this strategy. One day you're gonna say, Coach, I won. Keep on doing the same strategy as I always show you guys. Don't be like, it did not come on lunch. It's gambling. It's a win or lose. You cannot win every day, yes, but you can. It's not like you will win every day. It's not like you lose every day. But if you keep on playing consistently, like making sure that you're using the same strategy, and each and every strategy that I post for UK49, use it on Betway and UK49. Because yesterday I said the banker was 28. I even said bank 1 to 49. It did land well on what? On UK49 Betway lunch. So guys, when I do a video, I always say this. This is for UK49 early lunch and the lunchtime, which early lunch is Betway. Some other places they call it early lunch, but it's still what? Betway. So don't get confused, because I saw some people were asking, like, what is early lunch? You understand? It's lunchtime for UK49 Betway, but it comes earlier. That is why they call it what? Early lunch. Okay, let us just stick to today's predictions. So what we're going to do today, we're going to use the same code for this one, 143, because it's not yet exhausted, which we got from here, from saying plus 55. We put it down. So we're going to put our code as 143, the first one. Then we go to the second one, which is we're going to use the T last B as two numbers. We add them together. We say 42 plus 43 plus 55. What you're going to get there, we get 140. 140. So meaning today our banker is 40. Let's put it there as the 40. Or 14, because we're getting two numbers now, which is 14 or 40. Do you see that? So those are our today's bankers. Then we're not done yet, but today's banker is 40. Betway and UK49, lunchtime and tea time. I'm telling you, if the banker for lunch is 40, for tea time should be 14. It will come back again. Because here I'm seeing there is 42, there's 40. You see what they did? They played 24 and 42 on the same row, which is one number, but it is spinned. So let me show you this, guys. So now we are having our banker as 40 or 4, because they spin the numbers. If they see that you have played 40, they'll say, okay, let's trick these guys and hit here what, a 4. Because it's Christy she loves like spinning the numbers, if I can say. She splits the numbers so much. Okay, and then now we go to our strategy, the one that we always say. I love this strategy. It makes wonders. It has made me wonders. So we say 20 plus 46 times 87. We're going to get 4,022, which now I'm accurate about this 40. That is going to drop 40 and 22. Do you see that? Okay, so now, because this is UK49, you know what they do. So now what's going to happen here, I'm just going to say to you guys, for example, we're going to say 40 and add the bonus is 7. 40 and add the bonus is 28. Okay, 28 was a skip yesterday on UK49 lunch. So they're going to hit him today. Say 40, 28. So now we go again and say 40. 7. It's only a few numbers that I'm giving you today, guys. I don't want to give you so much numbers. I think, and I guess this is gonna be easier and accurate for you guys, because some of you are at church. 22 has already played. So what am I gonna do now? Because 22 has already played. But you know what, let me just go quickly and do something to be sure, because I don't want us to miss here. Okay, let me go to the calculator. There's something that I just want to solve on the calculator. Where is it? Okay, cool. I'm going to say 4 plus 41. It will give me some other number. Okay, cool. So the 45 is to drop. Okay, cool. So do you see something? These guys, they did hit this number yesterday. 41, 42, 43. So as I see the 145, it actually shows me that a 45 can also drop. So the numbers that are powerful is 45, 40, and 28, and 7. Do you see that? Those are the numbers that you can bank with today. And then there's a 37 as well. 37 is there. But today 8:45. Yes, I did 8:45. But in that case, if this girl tries to run away and split some numbers, 17, 19 has dropped. So which means our bonus is 15. If they can say 40, 28, 15, bonus 15. Let's just try this 2 number plus bonus 40, 28, bonus 15. And then you say 40, 28, bonus 7. Both on UK Foot9 and Betway. I mean early lunch, and the lunch which you guys know. Guys, as I told you that we still on what do you call? We still on Black Friday, so everything is on discounts, especially the books. So you're gonna follow the link in the first comment there. There's a link for WhatsApp, the one that you can be able to purchase your book. And then I've got another channel, but this channel that I have is for music, where I'm gonna be teaching kids music and people music, mixing and mastering and stuff. So you guys, I'm gonna post a link for YouTube. I'm also gonna post a link for YouTube. Go and subscribe on that new channel. Let's try to make it grow as well. But that one specifically is for music and teachings. On other hand, I do music and then I also do these numbers. That's what I do for a living. So yeah, please guys, I'm going to send a link for WhatsApp for those of you who want to purchase the books, because the book is on PDF. So it's not a hard copy, which means you can purchase it in either way, wherever you are. Even if you're in Ghana, you can buy the book. You're in Zambia, you can buy the book. You're in Botswana, you can buy the book. You're in America, you're in Paris, wherever, whole world, you can purchase my book, because it's an ebook which is in PDF. Okay, and please support my new channel, the one that says Twilight or Webster International. I'm going to send the link also in the first comments. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your church day today. Don't forget to go to church, guys. Please, 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 please. We need to pray. We need to pray and give God's time. Yes, we love gambling, but when it comes to praying, we just have to make sure we give Him His time. It can be 1 or 2 hours. Even if you did not go to church, you can always pray in your house. If maybe you feel like I'm at work, some people are at work. As I'm speaking, some people did not even rest. But if you get a chance, please do go to church. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it.